Hello everyone, I am Fiona. Today we will show you how cavity interchangeable EPS mold to quickly interchange the cavities for 170 mm and 150 mm EPS ball mold. First, loosen the screws around the mold cavity. The entire mold surface can be directly removed from the top. The mold currently uses a 170 mm ball cavity. Now it needs to be replaced with 150 mm ball cavities. As can be seen from the video, the circled area shows the two positioning pins of the EPS mold, which can ensure accurate positioning during the mold cavities exchange. Finally, tighten the screws. At this point, the whole operation of the mold cavities exchange is completed. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.